Okay, hold on, nigga. You're being gay right now.
My butthole really itches right now. I cannot explain the itch I have right now.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! I just want my buttholes fucking explode with food. Oh my god!
You fucking Enderman! Oh my!
Just blow it up, you fucking pussy!
Okay.
Just stop! My fingers feel pretty bad from doing my craft that you told me to do. It's just a block than the torch.
Fuck, man!
Dude, they're getting out. Dude, they're getting out.
Shut up, Derek! You're not making this any easier.
Dude, they're getting out! They're getting out!
A block? Does it have to be blocked?
Yeah, just something fucking random. Just do it now!
Okay!
Now!
Shut up! Look what you made me do!
It can't be at the top. Put it at the side.
Fucking A.
Hurry the fuck up. Do it now. Now! Now! Oh, my butthole! Oh, sure!
They're gone. That was gonna get